When I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness each day, I'm convinced it's not because I am worthy to receive the kind of love that you give, but I'm grateful for your mercy. And I'm grateful for your grace. And because of how you poured out yourself, I have come to sing this song out in praise. Imela, oh, Imela, Okaka,
Thank you, disciple. Thank you, you are Youth Sing Chapter.